Every day at BART, dozens of systems work together to safely move hundreds of thousands of people to jobs, loved ones, events, and new opportunities across the Bay Area. However, all the parts that keep these systems working and you moving decay over time. Miles of original cables assembled in the 1960s are failing. They've been repaired so many times that they're no longer reliable and require replacement. Our tunnels drilled under sea level in downtown San Francisco are no longer waterproof. Water intrusion accelerates track corrosion and can even result in the rail breaking apart. All of this occurs at a time when we're experiencing record numbers of riders. This record ridership has enabled BART to purchase new train cars, hire more custodial workers, and double down on system and train car maintenance. However, the parts of BART, tunnels, power transmission cables, and rail will continue to deteriorate, which is why BART is proposing a $3.5 billion general obligation bond to rebuild the bones of the system. This bond measure will be used solely for two purposes: to replace critical BART infrastructure and to improve the customer experience of travelers. If the bond measure passes, it'll cost property owners an estimated $8.98 per $100,000 in assessed value, an investment BART is serious about protecting. Since 1972, customers have taken more than 1 billion trips on BART. To learn more about BART's plan to keep our riders safe, our service reliable, and cars off the road, go to bart.gov/betterbart. It's time to rebuild.